Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to breed rabbits. To start ranching, firstly we need to become Apprentice Rancher. In order to do it, let's go to menu and go to Workpedia. As you can see right here, we've got crafting, farming, fishing, ranching, or exploration. After becoming Apprentice Rancher, you can go to Worktable and craft rabbit hutch. You need softwood and fiber for it. Once you craft it, go to build, select it and place it. Now, once you approach it, you can place rabbits here. Firstly, make sure to feed them. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.